Dear students, as we have stored data in the database and we discussed in the start that all of the data which is stored in database is stored as an integrated repository, and that data can be queried at any time, and very complex kind of queries can be performed on such data. And such queries can be performed in different ways in Microsoft Access. So we will be focusing only very basic ways that how we can use query wizard and how we can use query wizard as summary and as simple. So let's start the practical. So we have the same file where we have different tables, forms and reports. So let's say we want to form some queries on TBL220. So we have selected this one, create using query wizard, simple query wizard, okay, and we need to select, for example, if we want to select all of the things, we will click over here, and if we want just some of the things in the query, we will click like this. Then next, the name of the query, open the query to view information, and you can see that this is the result of the query that we have included, that we need name of the students, their subject marks, English, box studies and calculus, that's it. So this was what we asked, and that data has been queried from the table TBL220, and just the fields which we asked in this query, English, box study and calculus, so those fields have been selected from this table and are formed as a query. So there is another way to query, like if we go again over here, create and query design. So this is a very powerful thing available over here. So we are saying that we want to add this table. So I have double clicked on it, that is added, and then I have the design tool available over here. So I am saying that I need to include field 2, field 3, or maybe first, for example, that's fine, then field 4, etc. Then I want to perform the sorting as well, like, and that's it. So these are the 3 fields which I need from this table. So let's see what happens when I have finished making my query. Whatever the criteria I wanted to give, I have given. So I can run this query and see the results. So you can see that I have given those results. So if I want to again view this query and want to say, okay, I need this information as well, like the name of the students and then the marks of physics and English, so that information is being given to me. Then I can also use number of other things. So for example, if I say that this is the information I need, table is the same thing, the same table, so then I need it in descending form. And then for example, I say over here a criteria that any students who have marks greater than 50 should be shown. So let's try to run. So in the, so I'm going back. So it is giving only those students who have more than 50 marks in one of the field in which we have asked it, right? So we can again go back to the design query and can perform some other experiment as well. For example, if we are interested in courses, so I am saying that I need course name and credit hours, but the credit hours should be in descending order. So this means 4-1, the courses with credit hour 4 should be displayed on the top, and then followed by the courses having credit hours 3. So I clicked on it. So it says, okay, the ITC has 4 credit hours, programming 3, and so on, and it has hidden course ID from us. So such kind of things you can perform over here. So we have learned 2 ways of queries. One is the direct way of designing using wizard, and then query design. So dear students, let's conclude today's topic. We have seen that how we can query the database and the tables, and how we can try to search our required data from the tables, and that data can be shown to us as a result of that query. And we have seen that query wizard using simple, how it can work, and how query wizard as summary works in query generation and result calculation.